Have you ever spent hours opening 5 or 10 different websites just to find one reliable answer? What if one AI tool could search the web, compare trusted sources, summarize everything, and even answer your follow-up questions in minutes? Today, I'll show you how to use Perplexity AI like a pro and save hours every week. Watch how Perplexity researches the web, compares trusted sources, and builds a complete answer in seconds. Instead of searching website after website, you get one organized answer with trusted sources, all in one place. Most people think AI is only for asking simple questions, but professionals use it to research faster and make better decisions. The difference is simple. Perplexity doesn't just answer, it shows you where the information comes from. That means you can verify information instead of blindly trusting AI-generated answers. Instead of opening 10 different websites yourself, Perplexity brings the research together in one organized place. Let's start with a simple search and see how Perplexity works in real time. Now, instead of asking a basic question, let's give Perplexity a real research task. With one prompt, Perplexity starts searching the web, comparing sources, and building a complete answer. Within seconds, Perplexity gathers information from multiple sources and organizes everything into one clear report. And the best part is, every important point is backed by real sources you can verify yourself. Now let's improve the same research instead of starting a new search. This time, Perplexity uses the previous research instead of starting from scratch. Instead of repeating your research, Perplexity expands it with deeper comparisons and more useful insights. Now let's ask Perplexity to find opportunities that most creators completely miss. Now Perplexity builds on everything we've already researched to uncover new opportunities. Now you can clearly see content gaps, hidden opportunities, and ideas that are backed by real research instead of guesswork. Now let's turn all this research into a practical content strategy for a brand new AI channel. Now let's see what Perplexity recommends based on all the research we've done so far. Instead of guessing what to create next, you now have a structured list of content ideas based on real research. Let's pick one of these ideas and turn it into a complete video plan. Now let's ask Perplexity to turn this idea into a complete YouTube video plan. Let's turn this idea into a complete video structure. In just a few moments, Perplexity transforms a simple idea into a complete YouTube video outline with a hook, structure, and call to action. Now let's organize everything inside a project so your research, ideas, and future conversations stay together in one workspace. With one request, Perplexity starts organizing everything into a reusable project. Now everything is organized in one place, making it much easier to continue your work without starting over. The real power of AI isn't asking better questions, it's building a better workflow. If you found this helpful, subscribe to WebNudge for more AI tricks, tools, tips,